And we're back. Still buttoning up my shirt. Look at these motherfucking toothpicks, you guys. Long ass toothpick. It's like a clove. See, this was like $2.29. Now I know that they were made in China, that's why they're so cheap. But judge me all you want. I don't smoke cigarettes anymore. And that's pretty damn good, I think. Yeah, I gotta get ready for work. That's what I'm doing right now, in case you can't tell. If you missed the last video, I was racing to get here. I was honked at twice. Yeah, so much for racing. If you were racing, you wouldn't have been honked at, you stupid cunt. Yeah, that was so embarrassing. Really, it's gonna bother me the rest of the fucking day. Jesus. This is uniform, supposedly. This is all gonna get fucked up, by the way. It's all gonna get fucked up once I go in there. There's gonna be mustard stains, ice cream, milk, all over this motherfucker. Bad thing about tape is it gets fucking sticky. Look at this shit. Ghetto as fuck. Gotta switch hats. Always want to wear my anti-government hat, but unfortunately, we can't be political at Steak and Shake. Well, I mean, we can, but if the big boss is here, she might have an issue with it. Not that she disagrees. I'm sure she hates the IRS as much as I do, but gotta be in uniform, you know? Oh, shit. Well, I'm gonna go in and try to have a decent day, even though I was honked at twice, and it's gonna bother me. See, you guys, it's not that I care what people think, it's that I care about integrity. I care about being a decent person. And so if I do something fucked up, I mean, it's good though. It's good I got honked at because, you know, call me out. Call me out. And I like the horn because it's a way to do that. I wish I could honk my horn at fucking everybody. Goodbye, y'all.